guys, we have here an amazing SUV. This is a Prado J150. It's for 2015. This for 2015, and engine capacity is 2.8 cc, and it's fully loaded. I'll show you the specs. It's fully loaded. I'll show you the specs later, so you can just look at it. This is the exterior look, and this goes for 4.6 million Kenya shillings. I'll show the details of the seller later. So let's look at it first. Exterior, you can see that's amazing grill. That's the grill. Notice it has the fog lights. You can see fog lights there. Alloy rims, guys. Alloy rims, and you can see that. That's the way it looks from behind. From behind, guys. So let me show you the specs. The interior, you can see it has an automatic window. That's the way it looks, guys, from inside. Leather seats, guys. Leather seats here. You can see it has leather seats. That's the legroom space. This Prado TX, guys. This is the boot space, and so let's confirm whether all these features it has. Let's look at this. So you can see it has all these features, and steering controls. Guys, so this is the way it looks from inside. Those are the seats. These are the seats. So if you're interested in this, or it's the automatic engine start, you can see the screen there for infotainment, and it's automatic, guys. It's automatic. You can see the way it looks. So if you're interested in this, guys, let me show the boot first, guys. Not the boot. Let me show these are the details. Prado J150, 2.8 cc, 4.6 million Kenya shillings. The contact of the seller is there. So if you're interested, you can contact the seller there. So let me show you the the way the engine looks like.
Iko na nini? Inaitangwa nini? Alburu ama?
Sorry?
Ni hapo.
Hapana, mwenyewe hapo. Ndio hiyo ongea.
Mambo?
Nzuri sana. Karibu.
Hii ni 150.
So guys, if you're interested in this, you can contact the seller here.